we're the first company in the UK to do this at scale at one of our works using carbon cure technology. And that's, we're only just dipping our toe in the water. And it's a very sort of early stage of the process, early stage of the learning process. So it has a fairly minimal effect on the carbon footprint of the actual block itself, but it removes 30 tons of carbon from that works over a year. So, you know, if you consider that we've got, I think 20 manufacturing plants, once we upscale that technology and put that technology into all the works across our network, yeah, that's going to make a significant dent on our Scope 3 emissions. And we're also pushing the boundaries because we've got the kit installed. We can now start introducing more of it. We can start sort of pushing that. And the ideal, of course, is to take the excess carbon from the cement manufacturers. So we've got a nice sort of closed loop story. Because for all the good work that we're doing in this space, and we know plenty of our peers are doing it as well, and we're all sharing ideas because there's a lot of motivated people in this sector who really want to, really want to make a difference. But because we're working with our partners, we know that the cement suppliers are all really motivated. Yeah, they've got their net zero targets as well. So I think that's what keeps me optimistic, because when you work in this space, it can be fairly depressing, can't it? When you're looking through the outlook can be fairly bleak sometimes. But you look at the work that we're doing, that the wider industry is doing, and we've got the best opportunity out of any other industry in the world, really, to make such a massive difference. And it's only going to happen from investing in it, understanding it, and trialing it, taking the risks. And that's, we've been doing it for a long time, but it's accelerated no end in the last sort of 2-3 years.